but it was more popularized or more widely known by the word rapture. So if someone says, well, the word rapture is not in the Bible, therefore the doctrine is not in the Bible, I don't know, you could just say something really snarky. Or you could just say, the word caught up is. And that word translated means rapture. So that's why we call it the rapture, but what exactly is it? Turn to 1 Corinthians 15:50. What exactly is it? We know in a moment, in a twinkling of an eye, faster than you can blink, will be translated and caught up. But what is it? So in 1 Corinthians 15:50, Paul says, brethren, flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of God,